Welcome to our guide on fixing WhatsApp notifications that are not working. If you're missing important notifications from WhatsApp, don't worry. We've got you covered with these effective solutions. First, check your online status within WhatsApp. Being online is essential to receive notifications promptly. Next, verify the WhatsApp service status. Sometimes service disruptions can affect notification delivery. To manage notifications within WhatsApp, navigate to the app settings and ensure that notifications are enabled for the chats and groups you want to receive notifications from. Additionally, check your device's notification settings to make sure they are configured correctly for WhatsApp. If you're still facing issues, consider updating the WhatsApp app from the Google Store. Updates often include fixes for notification-related problems and can help restore the proper functioning of notifications on your device. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix WhatsApp notifications that are not working. Stay informed and connected with the latest updates from WhatsApp. Thank you for tuning in.